Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is your mobility and stretch routine. We're going to do about 10 minutes, so let's go on with it. We're going to come up into a high kneeling position, and then we're going to come down with our wrists. We're going to tuck the toes and we're going to lift those hips and look back at our legs. And then start to bend one knee, then the other knee. Make sure the head feels heavy here and you're looking back at your legs. Pedaling them out, feeling that lovely stretch through the calves, pushing your chest towards your thighs. Now take a breath here. Belly in, let the head hang. Now you're going to, as you come to plank, bring your right foot through. Help it along if you need to. Left hand down, right arm is going to open. Take a breath there. Drop the back knee. And then place your right hand down and the inside of the right foot, left arm opens. Reach, look up as long as that's okay for the neck. Bring that hand down, come up, back into a high kneeling position. And you're going to go from hip flexor to hamstring. Just gently, a little bit of a stretch through those legs. Good, one more. And then forward, take those arms up, look up, take a breath. And then back into that hamstring, flex that foot. Tummy muscles are just relaxed here. Push through that heel. Feel a lovely stretch at this hamstring, shoulders relaxed. And coming up, bending this right knee again. We're going to take our hands behind our head. We're going to take an inhale, twist to the left. Then as you twist over to the right, come down with that opposite elbow. And then up and twist to the left. And over and down to the right. And over to the left. And down. One more time. And twist. And twist. Good. And then take those arms forward, relax those shoulders, take an inhale. Open that right arm, follow it with your eyes. Good, coming back forward, one more inhale. Right arm opens, follow it with your eyes. Good, coming back, drop the hands, left arm up, reach over to the right. Good. Coming up, you're going to plant the hands, step back to plank, lift the hips, take a breath here, and then left foot through, help it along if you need to, right hand down, left arm opens, look up, drop the back knee, left hand on the inside of the left foot, right arm opens. Good, come out of that, come up into that high kneeling position and then just forward and back to hip flexor and hamstring. Good, couple more. Push forward, arms up, take a breath here, feel that stretch in that back hip flexor. Move it back into a hamstring stretch, flex that foot. Take a breath, keep your shoulders relaxed. Coming back up, rebend this left knee. Take those arms forward, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, left arm is going to open. And close, one more. And open. And close, release the arms, right arm up, reach over to the left. Coming back, hands behind the head, take an inhale, twist over to the right, and then down and across to the left. And then up and over to the right. down and across to the left. 2 more. Make sure you're not pulling on your head. Make sure those elbows are staying open. 1 more. Good. And releasing the hands down out of that. And then you're going to come to seated with your right leg forward and your left leg back. So you might be leaning over, that's normal. We're going to open the arms, relax the shoulders and place that right hand down. Take a side body stretch. Then inhale, open. Exhale, thread it under. Look behind you, keep the spine long. Inhale, open. Exhaling. And inhale. And exhale, 1 more. And inhale. And exhaling. And then inhale to open. Place that hand next to the other hand on the mat and turn your torso slightly. Keep the neck long. Take a couple of breaths. Good. Start to make your way back up. You're going to hold on to this front shin. Place this left leg out to the side. And then we're going to come down and up. A little bit of hip mobility. You'll notice one side is a lot more inflexible than the other. There might be a little bit less movement on one side. That is normal. 1 more. Place that down. Hands in front of that shin. Go lower if you're okay to go lower onto your forearms. And just take a couple of breaths. Relax your shoulders here. Try not to have any tension in the neck or the face. 1 more breath. Good, coming up. And then change that over. So left leg front. Again, notice if you're already leaning, that's fine. Take those arms out. Take the hand down. Take a side body stretch. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale as you open. Exhaling. Inhale. 1 more. And then inhale to open. Then place that hand next to the other hand. Turn in the torso slightly. Take a breath here. Keep your neck long. 1 more breath. Start to make your way up. Hold onto this front shin. Take this right leg out to the side. And then down and up. And just notice if one side was a little bit more uncomfortable than the other. It's not the most comfortable move, I'm not going to lie. But it's really good for hip mobility. 1 more. Good. Place that back where it was. Hands in front of that shin. A little bit lower if you're okay to go lower. Relax those shoulders. Take a breath. Again, notice if you've moved tension anywhere else. Good. Start to make your way back up, and we are going to come onto our back. We're going to pull the knees in and take a gentle rock side to side, relaxing those shoulders. And then holding just your right knee in with both hands, left leg up towards the ceiling. Flex your left foot. So we're going to start to lower the left leg down, all the way down. Relax the ankle as it comes down. Relax it onto the floor. Circle your right foot. And then pull that right knee over to the left with the left hand. Look to the right. Take this stretch. Nice lower back stretch. Try and keep both shoulders down. Come to center. Pull your left knee in. Right leg up towards the ceiling. Flex that right foot. Stretch that right leg out as much as you can. Lower it down. All the way down. Relax that right ankle. Circle the left foot. Left knee pulls across, over to the right, look to the left. Again, keeping that left shoulder down. Take a breath. Coming back to centre. Plant your feet hip distance. Up into a glute bridge. Bring your hands underneath you, interlace those fingers, wriggle the shoulders underneath you, squeeze your bottom and imagine squeezing your inner thighs together. And then as you inhale, belly and ribs expand. As you exhale, belly draws down. So really deep diaphragmatic breath. Keep straightening those arms. Keep the bottom lifted. 2 more breaths. One more breath. Roll the spine back down, unclasp those hands, let the knees open, let the soles of the feet come together, close the eyes, roll the head to the left, up and over to the right, coming back to centre, close those knees, pull the knees in, take a little rock through the spine and come up to seated. So that was your 10-minute mobility and flexibility session. I really hope you enjoyed that and you feel good now. Go and check out one of my strength videos, hit the subscribe button and let me know what you thought about the video and have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining me.